Hi friends, today I come up with an important topic that training and development. So let us look into the slides. What are the key points? What are the training programs? And what are the certificates to boost an employee's career? If you need any PowerPoint presentation from my videos, please comment in the comment section. I can send to you through email. Now let's move to the slides. A normal employee will become a better employee through professional development by learning the right skills for the career. Professional development can open the doors to new opportunities for employees. Professional development refers to all trainings, certification and education that a worker needs to succeed in his or her career. It's no secret that different jobs require different skills. So let us see what is professional development. If a worker currently has the necessary skills, he or she may need additional skills in the future. Through professional development, workers can learn these skills to become better and more efficient. A training program allows you to strengthen those skills that each employee needs to improve. A development program brings all employees to a higher level so they all have similar skills and knowledge. Training presents a prime opportunity to expand the knowledge base of all employees. It also helps reduce any weak links within the company who rely heavily on others to complete basic work tasks. Employees with project management skills are an important asset to any organization. Let us see some management trainings and certificate course. NEBOSH. This is specially for safety representatives. NEBOSH is called National Examination Board in Occupational Safety and Health. NEBOSH is a leading global organization which provides health, safety and environmental qualifications. NEBOSH qualifications are highly respected by governments and employers through the world. NEBOSH recently started open book examinations. If you need more information about NEBOSH, you may visit below mentioned website. The next one is IOSH. The Institution of Occupational Safety and Health. IOSH is the chartered body and largest membership organization for safety and health professionals. For more information, you may visit below website. PASMA, Prefabricated Access Suppliers and Manufacturers Association. It is the international not-for-profit association for the mobile access tower industry. PASMA is the organization that knows mobile towers and cares about the people who use the mobile towers. PASMA is representing the interest of manufacturers, suppliers, specifiers and users. It provides and oversees the industry standards training scheme and it is a major publisher of safety related knowledge, information and guidance. You may visit the below website for more details. IPAF, International Powered Access Federation. It promotes the safe and effective use of powered access equipment worldwide in the widest sense through providing technical advice, information and training, etc. You may visit the below mentioned website for more details. IRATA, Industrial Rope Access Trade Association. The leading association in the rope access industry, IRATA is the sole global trade association in the work at height sector. For more details, you may visit the below mentioned site. BICS, it is specially cleaning related organization. BICS is called British Institute of Cleaning Science. BICS is the largest independent and professional education body within the cleaning industry. BICS provides the face-to-face and virtual practical training. For more details, you may visit the below mentioned websites. IFMA, International Facilities Management Association. The International Facility Management Association is the world's largest and most widely recognized association for facility management professionals. For more details, you may visit the below mentioned website. If you have any query about above information, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.